The Iguana Yachts Review by Robert Steadman. In 2008, Antoine Boudegou, the founder of Iguana Yachts, came up with the original idea that tracks would be the most efficient way of beating the tide and terrain of the Brittany coastline. He went on to develop a family of amphibious boats that could cope with Brittany's whatever the tidal state. Fast forward to 2019 and Iguana have now sold over 50 boats across 4 continents. They also successfully launched their first RIB X100 model towards the end of the summer of 2019. This was well received by the industry and, more importantly, amongst their existing client base. Happily, this has already translated into the first 5 Iguana X100 sales. The commercial branch of the company, Iguana Pro, also achieved an increased sales in 2019 and has now begun to make an impact in the worldwide commercial and defence industry, including a recent order for 5 custom iguanas to a very prominent navy. Iguana is also in talks with various search and rescue services as they look to expand production from 12 to 24 commercial boats a year. The superyacht tender market is of course truly international and competitive. The Iguana, apart from being a great tender, offers a unique and convenient experience for guests while providing a useful tool for the captain and crew. Slowly but surely the message is getting through, and today there are 7 iguanas operating on board superyachts. The UK is the second biggest importer of the New Zealand brand Sea Legs. These competent boats rely on wheels rather than tracks, and they are extremely well established in the marketplace. This fact tells you that there is an appetite to have direct access to the water here, which is good news for Iguana. With any new brand, it takes time to break into the marketplace, and Iguana is no exception. The track system's high-tech build and the sleek good looks are very different from other boats on the market. An Iguana in the water shows no sign of an ability to drive up a beach and plough her way over mud. The seakeeping is not compromised and the systems are painted and very original. All this technology and thought comes at a price, and we recognise that for some amphibious boat owners they cannot justify the price on the basis of their level of usage. Iguana will always be a low volume, high quality offering, and indeed for the 2020 year the production halls are full to bursting and there are no more slots available. Because Iguana is such a unique offering, we always work closely with our clients to give them confidence moving forward. We are pleased to announce that we will be delivering the first Iguana X100 RIB to the UK for a client's use in the Solent in time for the 2020 season. We have a close working relationship with Iguana and they are a great bunch of people. 2019 was my first year in charge of the Iguana desk, or the Berthon Panzer division as it's affectionately known. It has been a steep learning curve. The boats are easy to use and intuitive, but with speeds around 50 knots they still take some getting used to. I've checked out beaches, muddy low tide marks, driven around clients' gardens and spent December in Antigua for the charter show. Lucky me. There we had a ball demonstrating the iguanas to superyacht crews and house owners with waterfront access. I have crossed the channel by Iguana a few times, roared around in the lovely waters of northern Wales demonstrating, and much else. It has been amazing. As far as the boats are concerned, I am sold. If you spend time at the wheel of an Iguana, you will be too. I look forward to driving both float and ashore, experiencing and selling iguanas in 2020. Do give me a call to find out what all the fuss is about.